Hey y'all, excuse my oily, excuse my crazy looking self, but I am about to get ready to go to a send-off dinner and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do a setup or anything because I don't want to be late. Right now my friends are in the group chat roasting me about being late. It is now 2:15 and I'm gonna start getting ready to leave out by 3:30 to be at the event by 4:30. An hour, period.
Cap.
But or 3:35 to leave out the latest. But yeah, shit, I'm gonna have to put you guys up to do a fit check. Hold on 1 second. Good. Good. Okay, so once again, sorry for the rush, y'all, but I am not trying to be late as I usually am. The truth is the truth, but whatever. Fit check. So I'm wearing this black pants with a slit at the knee with this lavender crop top. Oh yeah, lavender crop top with ties at the front. I got my lavender bag. And I'm pairing it with these J's. So yeah. I'm gonna be a date, I'm gonna do nothing yet. I don't think I'm going to do any makeup, but if I have time I'll just put something on. But I'm definitely going to put my hair up because it's so hot out and I sweat in my head. So the moment I start sweating, my hair starts looking thin and not like really blunty how it's supposed to look, or it's not going to give the blunt or the flow or whatever. So I'm definitely going to put my hair up, probably going to give a little Des Dior style, yeah, where she always has that half up half down with the thing at the back right there. Yeah, but I'm going to shower first, then everything come after. Okay, so guys, I put on my fit already because as I said, I don't want to be late. I just want when I'm done, I just go out the door. So yeah, I go comb my hair now. Probably do time lapse combing my hair because I don't want to be late and keep on a silly. So I hope y'all get it. But yeah.
Step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes wanna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me.
Okay, so I feel like I look too much like a 12-year-old, so I'm just going to do a simple beat quickly.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna feel focus on me.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us
Guys, me let me in power school. Am I come on the people them please already? Listen. Yo, me tell us I first me ever early and still make me late.
No. Me say open the
Hi.
Let me pour that. Prepare que amigo.
Nope. And I'm vlogging you.
Hey guys.
and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grown when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you.
Vete, me pulling in belly, vete. No, but you're not so I want to get to them now, Matt.